Hello friends, welcome back to our TSInfo YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss SharePoint Online Image web part. First of all, open your SharePoint Online site with your respective Microsoft credential and select the Pages option under the left navigation. And here select the exiting site page or new site page to create a web parts. Just click on the exiting site page. Microsoft provides a lot of web parts in SharePoint Online, and one of these web parts is the image web part. This image web part allows us to choose an image from recently uploaded images, stock images and web search images, etc. Now I will show you exactly how to create an image web part. For that, click on the edit icon and here select the circled place to add a new web parts and search image web part. Then select the image web part under the search results. Once you added the image web part, it will ask you select an image from different sources like recently uploaded images or stock images, web search images or OneDrive images from your site or from your local device or from a link. For example, I want to upload an image from my local device. For that, click on the upload option and select the image which you want to add it like this. Then click on open button and here select the add image. Now see how to customize the image web part. For that, click on the edit icon. Here you can change the image options like you can add link or add text over the image. And here you can also briefly describe how the images is relevant to the page. And lastly, if you want to mark as decorative, just turn on the toggle option. And here also you can see list of options like here you can see move web part and duplicate web part, and if you want to delete the web part, just click on the delete icon. And you can easily resize the image by using the drag and drop feature as shown. Like see, this is how to resize the image. And you can also crop the image like here list of options is there. And you can also change the alignment as your need. Like by using this reset icon, you can undo all the changes that you have made. See like this. Once you have made all the changes, then click on the republish button. See, our image web part is added on our SharePoint Online page. Yes, this is all about SharePoint Online image web part. I hope guys you like this video. To give a like and do subscribe our YouTube channel for more free videos on SharePoint Online. Thank you.